Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Katmai T08 earphones. And they are an interesting product which we are going to test a bit. So as you can see, they come really nice packed with a warranty card. You get this official email card, warranty card with serial number on it. Very nice touch. We get a user manual, complete user manual with lots of details in English and several other languages. Pretty good manual. And there's the box, the storage box and charging box for the earphones. And let's see what else we get here. So we get replaceable ear muffs or silicone pads, or call them how you wish, and they are in different sizes. Pretty good to adapt to your ear. We get a charging cable, and this is the first time when I see a USB Type-C included with this type of headphones, and I love it. I'm really sick and tired of the micro USB plugs, so finally we are going into the future. And here's the case, really nice, compact, small. And let's see, how do you open this up? Well, you just use your fingernail, and look at that, pretty nice display. It shows the battery and it's almost fully charged. And now let's add these ones. And design is interesting. They are kind of plain, minimalistic design and don't have a button. There's nothing to push here. And they should have a touch button or something like that. So let's see if they are charged up or not. And they have magnetic attaching to the box, and look at that, pretty nice. And now let's pair them to see if they will pair or not. This means that this one is in pairing mode, so this is the master headphone. And I need to turn on Bluetooth, and let's see if it's going to be detected or not. And there you go, available devices T08. So I'm going to click on those, allow to, OK, and pair. And Bluetooth connection, current device supports AAC codec, however may fail to sound properly your device switch to. And I can go to settings, and I have several things here, and I can enable AAC to provide high quality audio experience. Let's try that, and if it fails, okay, it's good that I have a warning. And I can do phone calls, media, audio, and contact sharing. I can rename them, and let's see how they sound. And here comes the part when you can never actually review headphones for YouTube truly, because now it's my word against all others. So I can say that they sound good or bad, and that's how I can listen to them, because you cannot listen to the headphones while on YouTube. And at least you can hear them, how powerful they sound at a distance. And if I approach them somewhere around here to my recording camera, you might hear them a bit better. And I can say that they sound really powerful and clear. They have a very crisp sound, and they have a good fidelity in them, even though they are at maximum volume right now. Also, the touch control works really good. You can just touch here on this side, and you can see the video will pause, and touch again and the video will start. So that works really nice. Another big pro regarding these headphones is the power of the low frequencies, the bass, which everyone loves to hear. They sound really good. It's very deep and good low frequency reproduction in them, so they do not sound bad, they do not sound flat. It's kind of a warm bass that really moves your ear. The only condition to feel that is that this must really enter your ear channel. Otherwise, if it just touches your ear channel and air passes around, you are not going to feel that very deep bass, but you are going to hear them very well also. But if you want low frequency sounds, you need to jam this a bit more into your ear, but they do have a lot of bass, and I really like that about them. Also, for convenience, these will automatically turn off when you put them on charge. They will turn on automatically when you take them out of the box, so it's really cool. And if you, as you can see, they turn on or off with this magnetic cap here. Also, if you turn Bluetooth on your mobile phone and you leave them hanging around like that, they will stay on for about 10 minutes, and if there is no connection to them, they will automatically turn off to save battery. So pretty smart. You just use them and forget about turning them on, off, connecting and stuff like that. So pretty convenient and nice. My only con until now, it's this nice case. This thing here, you really need to have good fingernails. It's very small, and it's kind of hard to open it up, but you get used to it, as the magnet is not very strong, but this will very easy clip back, and it's kind of frustrating to not miss that notch to open them up, especially if you are on the go and moving. But nonetheless, the case is cool, so would have loved to have this a bit bigger to be easier to open it up. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'm going to include a link for this product in the video description below, so you can find the shop easier if you want to purchase this type of headphones. I highly recommend them because they sound really good, they work really nice, and they weren't all that expensive, but the sound quality, it's much better than expected, and you somehow have to believe me for that because you cannot hear them on YouTube. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.